turn. But that's the way of the world, man, you live and you learn. It's so hard to get over all the bridges I burn. Decisions I gotta live with, it's nobody's concern. You do a lot of thinking when you locked in a pen, and they won't pick up the phone or even pick up a pen. Baby moms missed a visit again, missing your sons. Ain't even halfway through your bid and you ran out of funds. Nothing worse than being indigent in prison, swore it'd be my last time. You see how I live it? This my God-given gift to the world, so just listen. Try to walk a mile in my shoes, you couldn't go the distance. Speaking from the heart, but you wouldn't know the difference. They all playing the part, but nobody pay attention. I never thought I'd be where I am today, but thank God that I found my way. I found my way.
I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. Found my way. I found my way.
I ain't surprised that they always find a way to doubt me. Thin line with love and hate, they love to hate around me, cause they turn the strippers like they in the A around me. And I'm thorough type, just the ones that stay around me. They around me, they been around. No squares in my circle, who you be if you were me. Step on to these Urkels, make him a martyr. Trayvon, I'm kill him in his own hood. But I'm a father, so it's hard to see a die young. All these young brung off the money and the guns. They don't know how real it is, we don't do this for fun. What I'm building for my sons and what I had to overcome would make a good man cold and a brave man run. I got life by the head, I'm a caveman's son. Barbaric, she gon' do what I say from day one. They generic and they building up courage with no merit. But put your money on me, yeah, go ahead, Betty.
I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. I found my way.
For the way that we were living, we pray the Lord to forgive us. To that I can bear witness, it's natural, we born sinners. I guess I'm just tired of seeing nobody winning. A wasted existence, seeing nobody living. Lack of ambition, nobody seems driven. That's the human condition, nobody has vision. They need a silver lining, motivations when I'm giving now. They can see me standing on the stage instead of prison. Too many die young or fall victim to the system, cause they caught up in the hype, they hear the truth but don't listen. I gave a lot of time away, thought I'd never find a way to break up out the cycle. Put my foolish pride away, I find a new direction cause I learned a few lessons. And I'ma keep on learning cause they gon' keep testing. Want the answers to your questions, get down and pray. I'm so grateful that I found my way. I found